Good morning and Happy New Year. This is a very quick video, just to say I've had a really great phone call just now. It's good news for me. For those of you who watched my last video, you'll have heard at the end that I said that because of my tripod failure, I managed to break my X-T3, and that was back at the beginning of December, and I've been without my X-T3 since then. I sent it to Fuji, who said it was beyond economic repair, and it came back to me. I contacted my home insurance company, and I'm going to big them up, DirectLine. They took it as an insurance job, and I've just had a phone call that says that they're going to make a like-for-like replacement, and that's going to be sent direct from John Lewis in the next couple of days. So I'm absolutely over the moon. First good news for a new year. So I'm really excited that I now will have my two Fuji cameras back, my X-T20, which I'm recording this on, and my X-T3. So I'm looking forward to doing some more on-location videos in the coming days and weeks. So a Happy New Year for me, and a Happy New Year to everybody looking at this, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Cheers now. Bye.